Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube class. Guys, I am Manjeet Raut, your online instructor. And today I'm planning to describe you about one of important topic related to Azure AZ-104 content-based video series. And basically I'm planning to describe you about the concept of how we can create our Azure storage account failover service. So basically it's really important, and if we're talking about the content, so you are able to find the same content in Azure AZ-104 certification based video series, and you can also find in AZ-303. Basically it's related to the architect base. So our motto to describe you about the entire activity related to the theoretical and practical part both. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, so what you need to do, you just need to open my YouTube channel Teach Me Cloud and just click on the playlist, and we are able to find a number of playlists are available. So if you want to be Azure administrator, you just need to click on Azure AZ-104 certification, right? You just need to click on view full playlist, and see guys, I have already uploaded up to 24 different videos. So guys, this is 25th video, and all videos are fully practical based, without any gap, without any skips. So if you want to be as your administrator, definitely you need to subscribe my channel, because I'm giving you the 100% live practical without any payment, you can say that, and without any gap, and any steps are skipping my videos, so you can check it. Okay, not an issue. So our motto to discuss about the how to configure Azure Storage Replication. It's really important, because if you are working as a administrator or as an architect, so definitely you should know about it. How you can protect your data, how you can protect your entire storage account. So in this class, I'm going to describe you about the proper step how you can configure the Azure Replication service. So let's start our practical. But if you are new on my YouTube channel, if you are watching my video first time, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel Teach Me Cloud, because it's really helpful for you if you want to be a cloud expert, if you want to be a virtual expert. So I have already uploaded multiple video based on the different cloud provider, like as a you are able to find the video related to Amazon, Microsoft Azure 303 and 104 as well. You can find the Google Cloud videos and Office 365 as well. Okay, so now we are just trying to understand about the Azure Storage Replication Service. So, as per the meaning of the actual meaning of replication is related to the failover. You can say that means you are making a same copy of your data in different location. So let's try to understand. I'm going to create a diagram and try to describe you about the concept of replication, especially storage replication. For example, you created a one storage account. Okay, and this is our source storage account. You can say that you can also consider as a primary storage account. You created a one storage account. I'm going to use the name of storage account training 1988. Okay, this is our source storage account basically. And you created your storage account in the location of USA. Okay, this is your source. And what we need to do, if you want to configure the replication service, definitely we need to create a one more storage account in another location. So I'm going to create another storage account with name of class 1988. So what you need to do, if you want to perform the task related to the Azure application services, you need to create at least two different storage account, correct? And another storage account you created in the location of Canada. Okay, fine. So as we know that guys, each and every cloud provider establish our data center in different geographical location, correct? Only the purpose of to provide 100% of security of your data. Means if you uploaded your data in the location of central US or Canada, so if any problem occurred with base location, means if any problem occurred, if any natural climates occur or natural disaster occur in the location of Canada data center, so you are able to find your data from US location. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just type one more identification for the storage account, like as a primary, you can say that. You can also consider as a source, correct? And second, you can say that secondary, okay? Or you can also say that destination. Fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a one storage account in the location of US, central US or US, and another storage account we will create in the location of Canada, and we'll try to upload one data in blob, container, or file share, or queues anywhere. So I'm going to upload one data from our on-premises machine into the US based data storage account, and it will be automatically copy the data. It will be automatically replicate to the Canada location in storage account class 1988. So what exactly happened? If any problem occurred with your central US locations, you are able to find your data, you are able to download your data from different locations that you created in Canada. So guys, this is the actual agenda of Azure Storage Replication. I hope you understand about the theoretical part related to Azure Storage Replication. Now I'm going to show you the proper practical. So what we need to do, we just need to open our Azure portal. So we just need to use portal.azure.com, as we know that. And I'm going to create two different storage account in different location, and we'll try to we'll try to upload our data from on premises and try to check it if it will be automatically reflect in our destination location. So what you need to do, just click on storage part. In the storage, I don't have any storage account right now, so I'm going to create from scratch. Okay, just click create storage account. So if you want to know more about the storage account services, so I have already created multiple video based on the storage account. So you just go through the playlist, Azure AZ-104 Certification playlist, and definitely you are able to find the n number of video based on the storage. But here we are planning to create a storage account for the application purpose. I'm going to type the name of our storage account is Azure Training 1988. Okay, two. You must be use a unique name, right? And in the case of account kind, I'm going to proceed with general purpose one. And in the replication part, you can proceed with GeoGRS. It's a geo-resident storage, and we have a RAGRS. So you can proceed with GRS only. Just click next. Make it public because we want to access our data from outside the network. From publicly, if you want to access the data, you can proceed with public endpoint. No need to do anything here. This is the soft deletion, so I don't want to proceed with soft deletion. Just click next. No need to make any changes here, and just click create. So this is our source location, as we discussed in our theoretical part. So this is our source location, and what I'm going to do, firstly we need to create our application, and after that we'll upload our data in our US location. Means you can see that in training 1988 storage account. So now once our storage account created successfully, we will be upload the data in the container, our blob, our file share, our queues, anywhere you can upload. Okay, we just need to wait 1 or 2 minutes, and once our storage account created successfully, we'll start our next step. Fine, we successfully created our storage account with name of training 1982. And what you need to do, just click go to resources, and this is our training 1988 2. And what you need to do, I'm going to create a one container. Okay, so just click on container, and as we know that container is contain the blob, and you can upload your own data. Type that blob name. So I'm going to proceed with name of data and make it public, not an issue, and click create. We successfully created a one blob. The blob name is data. No need to upload any kind of data right now, because firstly we just need to create a replica, and after that we'll upload the data. Okay, so our source is ready to use, right? We created our source, but we are little bit worried if any problem occurred in central US location, if our central US data center suffering from any problem like related to the power supply or any kind of natural problem occurred in the location of central US, so we will lose our data. So that's why we are planning to create another storage account and just make a connection between our central US to Canada. So second storage account, I'm going to create another storage account. Just use the same step, no need to do anything. Just open our storage account, and as we know that we created a one storage account. This is our source storage account, which is available in Power. This is our resource group, and location is central US. Just click create, and this time I'm going to create our storage account in different location. Okay, make the same resource group for identification. And this time I'm going to create our storage account with name of class 1988, and just change the storage location. Okay, so I'm going to proceed in central Canada. Okay, proceed with GP1 and make it GRS. Okay, everything is okay, no need to do anything. Next, make it public. Again, next, 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 and wait for 2 minutes, because it will take 1 or 2 minutes to create our storage account. So once our class storage account is ready to use, we will make our replica between each other. And so now we completed our first step, training 1988, and class 88 is created successfully. It's in progress actually. Class 1988 is in progress. So once our class 1988 storage account created successfully, we will make a replica between each other. So guys, I hope you all of you understand about the activity related to create our storage account replication step by step. So if you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Definitely will read your comment and give you the proper solution if you have any confusion related to the replica. Our both storage created successfully. We created a one storage account as a primary with name of training 1988 2, and another is destination. You can say that secondary data storage, secondary storage account with name of class 1988. And we have already created a one storage, one blob container in our primary location. So I'm on the page of property of training 1988 2. This is our primary storage account. And see, in the container, we created a one storage, one container with name of data. So what we are planning to make a replication between our training 1988 to class 1988. So guys, this is our destination and this one is our source. In the destination, we don't have any container. So we are not created any container services. So if you check on the containers, we are unable to find anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a replica from our primary location, and after completed the part of applications, definitely you are able to find the data that you already uploaded in the location of central US. So both the storage account are available in different locations. This is our central US. You can say that primary storage account available in central US, and our destination destination storage account available in Canada, central Canada. So for the replication purpose, you just need to open your primary storage account. Once you open, we are able to find n number of options are available in the property of storage account. We just need to select blob services. See, this is the blob services. In the blob services, we have a one option object replication. Click on the object replication, and now we have a two different way to configure replication service. One is setup replication rule, and another is upload replication rule. So upload replication rule in the sense, if you have already created your JSON file, you have already created your ARM template, so you can directly upload it. But here we are planning to manage the entire thing with the help of GUI, so that's why I'm going to click on the setup application manually. So once we click on the setup application, it gives you the entire information. This is our resource types of subscription, and another you need to select the destination storage account first. So you need to click here. See, this is our source account. This is a destination storage account. So I'm going to select our destination storage account, and now we need to select the destination source side data. And in the destination, unfortunately, we not created any storage account, storage container. So first of all, we need to create a one storage account in the one container service in our destination as well. Okay, so I'm going to create a one container, blank container in the location of our destination as well. So our destination storage account name is class 1988. So you just need to open a storage account, go to the class 1988, and here I'm going to create a container with name of any name. You can proceed. I'm going to create a one storage account, one container name with replicate data. Okay, make it automatic, make it public as well. Fine, we successfully created one container in the destination location, and container is a fully blank, no any data available in our container. So now I'm going to select it. We need to refresh the page, I think, because we just created our container service. So that's why we need to refresh the page and try to check it again. Select your destination, class 1988. In the source container, data, and destination container, you need to select the replication data, rep data, and click save and apply. Just very basic information you need to copy it. See, only new object, or you have another way to change it. If you have already uploaded your data and you want to copy the entire data, so you can click on everything. If you want to customize, like if you want to customize from the date, you want to just copy the data from last 1 week, last 2 days, or 1 day, so you can set the timing as well. Means you need to select the date, timing, and you can copy, it will be automatically copy the data from the date that you selected. But here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make it everything, because we are planning to copy the entire data from source side to destination, and no need to do anything, just click save and apply. Now it will be take up to 2 to 3 minutes, because it's just making a connection between our training 1988 to class 1988. So once our replication completed successfully, we will upload our data in the location of our primary location, you can say that source location, and then try to understand again. Okay, wait, it's error. Just give me 1 minute. I think I need to find the replication is configured or not. You just need to click on object replication. This is your destination name. Source container name is data, and destination container name is replication data. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open container, the source container, and upload few files in our data container. Open your container, and I have already uploaded, but I'm going to upload a new file. So because we just selected while creating the storage replication, we selected a new object only. So that's why we need to upload a one new files in our source location. So I'm going to upload a one file with name of aws.png. Cool, it's successfully uploaded. I'm going to just refresh it and open your source destination location, select storage account, go to the class 1988. And in our class 1988, as we know that it's a destination, open container again. In the container, we created a container named replication data, open it. And there are no data available. We just need to refresh it, and it will be take few minutes, means it may be take 1 or 2 minutes, and you are able to find your data that you uploaded in the location of your primary storage account. I'm going to refresh the entire page and try to check it again. Okay, so replication will take up to 300 seconds. So it means that I think we need to wait up to 5 minutes. I'm going to refresh it again and again. Fine, we successfully able to find our data in the location of destination. So this is rep data, destination location, and another is container, data container, which one is a source. So we are able to find our data that we uploaded in the location of data, and we are able to find the same data in the replication. So as per the diagram, it's completed. I hope you all of you understand about the step that we use to create a replication, storage replication services. So guys, this is our proper agenda that we completed. If you have any doubt or question, please let me know. So we'll meet next in next video. So take care and bye bye guys.